Good morning, students. This is Ricky. Welcome to the English class today. Yes, children, we heard many stories about the many kings, right? Akbar king, and in the past, we have many kings. We heard the stories about many kings. Yes, now today we are going to read about the story about the Solomon the wise. He was a wise king. Wise means intelligent. Yes. So this Solomon, actually he is from the Bible stories. If you read the Bible, you can find out the Solomon, he was a very great, very strong and a very wise king. No one could defeat him. So now let us see in your textbook, page number 43, lesson 6, King Solomon, the wise. Yes, now here King Solomon was a very wise king. Many admired him for his wisdom. Right? Admired means everyone treated with the respect. Once the Queen of Sheba wanted to test him. One queen wanted to test him for his intelligence. She brought 2 garlands. You can see here the garlands. Yes, garland means the flower. Yes, flowers string in a thread. Right? So she brought 2 garlands which looked alike, means which are almost same, but one was made of real flowers and while the other was made of artificial flowers. But no one could identify which are the original and which are the artificial. So she said, from the far, you can see from the far away, she held the real flower in right hand and the artificial one in her left hand, and she told the King Solomon that one of them was made of real and the other one is artificial. You have to identify which is real and which is not real. So without touching them, you have to say. So she wanted to test the king. She asked the king to find out which one is the real. So the king contemplated for some time. Means he thought for some time, and then he asked his servants. Right? He asked his servants to open the windows of the room. He asked the servants to open the windows of the room. There was a beautiful garden outside. You can see the beautiful garden and all the butterflies and the bees are buzzing around the flowers. So after some time, some bees from the palace garden flew into the room and buzzed around the garland of real flowers. All the bees and the butterfly, sometimes if we open the windows, many insects, when it is night time or daytime, sometimes flies come into our room, right from the window, or the bees and the butterflies, they were buzzing around the flowers, and after some time they flew into the room and buzzed around the garland of the real flower, because bees and butterflies, they know which are the real and which are artificial. So the king pointed the garland of real flowers in the queen's right hand. So like this, Solomon thus proved the wisdom and again he won everyone's admiration. Right? Means everyone appreciated him. Yes, we cannot defeat this king. He is a very wise, intelligent, and a very clever king. So, this queen said, "You are very intelligent, you are very clever." So, the queen presented the king with the precious gift. She gave the very precious gift she had brought with her for his intelligence. So, children, here we have completed our lesson. So, what did Solomon tell his servants? Yes, he told to open the windows of the room. Was the queen successful in her attempt? Yes, she was successful because she tested the king. Right, children? So, here is the glossary. Admired, admired, treated with respect. Admired, treated with respect. Contemplated, thought. Contemplated, thought. Buzzing, continuous humming sound. Continuous humming sound. Admiration, appreciation. Admiration, appreciation. Precious, valuable. Precious, valuable. Now here see antonyms. Wise, foolish. Opposite. Antonyms means opposite. Wise, foolish. Artificial, natural. Artificial, natural. Outside, inside. Outside, inside. Won, lost. Won, lost. Okay, children? Now please note down the glossary and the antonyms in your CW. Get ready for the question and answers. Thank you.